Hello students, welcome to Marshal Career Academy online platform, and today we are going to start a chapter number system. This is your chapter first for class 9th. Before start this chapter, I will tell you some kinds of numbers. After that we will come on our chapter. This is number system. So let's first of all we will discuss some kinds of numbers. Our chapter name is number system. Number system is we have different kind of numbers, but first we start always हम हमेशा कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? काउंटिंग नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, और जो हमारे काउंटिंग नंबर होते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर. सो वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ नेचुरल नंबर. So, first natural numbers. What is natural number? Tell me about natural number. Natural number is our counting number. Natural number is our counting number. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on till infinite. Till infinite means आप 1, 2, 3, 4 इस टाइप से अपनी काउंटिंग करते हो, है ना. इस टाइप के आपके जितने भी नंबर हैं और कहां तक? इनफाइनाइट तक, मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल. सो दैट नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर्स. आफ्टर नेचुरल नंबर वी विल डिस्कस होल नंबर, एंड होल नंबर इज our first whole number is 0. Natural number start with 1. Natural number always start with 1. Means our first natural number is 1. Means our first natural number is 1. Our first natural number is 1. But our first whole number is 0. Means whole number means whole numbers, you can say combination of natural number represented by capital N. Natural number always represented by capital N. Combination of natural numbers and 0. That numbers are called whole numbers. Means you can say whole number start with 0. Whole number start with 0. Means our first whole number is 0. After that same as it is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and dash 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 till infinite. मीन्स नेचुरल नंबर में आप वही सेम अगेन अपने काउंटिंग नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड सो ऑन. होल नंबर में 1 नंबर और इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, और वो नंबर हमारा कौन सा होगा? दैट इज अवर 0, है ना. इफ यू ऐड 0 इन अवर नेचुरल नंबर, सो दिस सेट इज कॉल्ड ए होल नंबर. दिस सेट इज कॉल्ड होल नंबर. ओके, नेचुरल नंबर इज 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन, बट होल नंबर इज 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now next, natural number, whole number. After that, integers. After that, integers. Otherwise, you can say integer number. Both are same. You can say integer number and integers. Now, what is integers? We have two kind of differentiation about integer numbers. About integers numbers, we have two different type of definition. First definition of integer number is definition of integer number definition of integer number. Definition of integer number is all natural number, all natural number, all natural number with all natural number with negative and with negative and positive sign, negative and positive sign, including 0, including 0, including 0. Is that? Means all natural number. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till infinite, है ना. हमने नेचुरल नंबर पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ लिए और इन्हीं नेचुरल नंबर को आपको नेगेटिव साइन के साथ भी लेना है. मीन्स 1 with negative sign -1, 2 with negative sign -2, 3 with negative sign -3, 4 with negative sign -4 and dash 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 till minus infinity, till minus infinity. Natural number with positive sign, natural number with negative sign and including 0. So here we will take 0 also. Means this combination minus infinity to plus infinity, this kind of numbers, minus infinity to plus infinity, this kind of number is called integer number. This kind of number is called integers number, called integer numbers. So this is our integer number. Means all natural number with positive sign, with negative sign and including 0. So that is our set of integers numbers. Now next, our next definition is rational number. Our next definition is rational number. Now rational number. Definition of rational number is definition. First of all, we read a number is called a rational number if it can be written in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equal 0. Means इस डेफिनेशन से पहले मैं आपको एक डेफिनेशन और बताता हूं अबाउट रैशनल नंबर. रैशनल नंबर इज, after that we will come on this definition. Rational number, in short we can say rational number is ratio of integers, ratio of integers. Rational number is ratio of integers. For example, our integer is our integer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, and -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on till minus infinity and 0 also. Here we will take two integers, any two integers. Here we will take any two integers. Let's suppose we take 5 and -3. 5 and -3 means रेशियो ऑफ 5 and -3. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ नंबर है ना, दैट काइंड ऑफ नंबर 5/-3 is a rational number. You can any integer like 1023/11. This is also a rational number because 1023 is integer and 11 is also integer number, and ratio of integers, our definition is ratio of integers. Ratios of integers, that is our rational number. Here we take 0 also. Here we take 0 also. 0 is also a rational number because 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be written as 0/1. 0 can be written as 0/1, and 0 is a integer number, 1 is also integer number, and ratio of integers means 0/1. 0/1 is rational number. So just if we take only simply 5, if we take just simple 5, this is also a rational number because we can write 5 is 5/1. 5 can be written as 5/1. So 5/1 means 5. 5/1 means 5 is also a rational number. In short, you can say every natural number. In short, you can say every natural number and whole numbers and integers, all the numbers are rational numbers. All the numbers are rational numbers. You can take any number. Let's suppose -3 and -7. It's a rational number because -3 is integer and -7 is also integer. So ratio of integer is rational number. It's a rational number. It's a rational number. (15/7). Again it's a rational number. Means, in short, ratio of two integers is always a rational number, and integer may be positive and negative. You can take one integer is positive and first is positive and second is negative. Other than, you can take first is negative, second is positive. You can take in any order. Just ratio of two integers, है ना. आपका रैशनल नंबर्स के लिए आपका जो भी इंटीजर्स है उनका रेशियो होना चाहिए, है ना. रेशियो ऑफ इंटीजर्स, दैट इज रैशनल नंबर. इट डजंट मैटर दैट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट. So that is our rational numbers. After that, second definition of rational number, है ना. एक तो ये डेफिनेशन थी रेशियो ऑफ इंटीजर्स, एंड एक ये डेफिनेशन, इसको भी देख लेते हैं. ए नंबर इज कॉल्ड ए रैशनल नंबर इफ इट कैन बी रिटन एज in the form of P/Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal 0. What do you mean of this definition? Means if we write any number in P/Q form, and where q not equal 0, and q and p and q are here, p and q are here, p and q are integers number, here p and q are integers number, means integer number. If I take p is equal to 7 and q is equal to minus 3, p is equal to 7 and q is equal to minus 3, then substitute this value in p upon q, then substitute the value in p upon q, then we will get 7 upon minus 3, then we will get 7 upon minus 3, and minus 3 is not equal 0, means this number 7 upon minus 3 means p upon q, this number is also called a rational number, है ना. मीन्स हमारा सेम है दोनों डेफिनेशन का, है ना. रेशियो ऑफ इंटीजर्स, है ना, यू कैन से रेशियो ऑफ इंटीजर्स, अदरवाइज यू कैन से p अपॉन q, बट q must not be 0, है ना. q must not be 0 because if we take in denominator is 0 of any number, like suppose 13 upon 0, so it cannot be a rational number, it's a undefined number, it's a undefined number. This number not rational, not rational. If you divide any number, you have to just learn it. If you divide any number by 0, then you will get always undefined number. You will get always undefined form. This is a undefined form. So हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, है ना. या फिर आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि कभी भी हम किसी भी नंबर के अपॉन में 0 को राइट नहीं कर सकते, है ना, बिकॉज दिस इज ए अनडिफाइंड फॉर्म, है ना. दिस इज ए अनडिफाइंड फॉर्म. नो. सो अवर नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, आफ्टर दैट rational number, after that we will discuss irrational number, है ना. After that we will discuss irrational number. Rational and irrational. Rational number हमने डिस्कस किया. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस irrational number. Irrational number. What is irrational number? Which numbers cannot be represent, which numbers cannot be represent in the p upon q form, in the p upon q form, that are called irrational number. That are called irrational number. That are called irrational numbers. In short, if you can represent any number in the p upon q form, that is rational. If you cannot represent in the form of p upon q, so that kind of number is irrational numbers. For example, let's see. For example, root 3 root 2, root 5, root 7, and pi dash dash etc. That kind of number are our irrational numbers. Root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11. Pi is also irrational number. Pi is also a irrational number, but you will say pi is 22 by 7. You will say pi is a 22 by 7. So how can be irrational number? Because 22 is integer and 7 is integer. 22 is integer number. And 7 is also integer number. So 22 by 7 is integer, ratio of integers. So this is a rational number. So how can we say that pi is irrational? Because pi is equal to 22 by 7 is approx value. We always use pi is equal to 22 by 7, but this is not its actual value. Not this actual value. Value of pi is equal to 3.14 and dash 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 till infinite. 3.14 dash 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 till infinite. So because of pi is a irrational number. Pi is example of irrational number. Okay. If you take in square root any prime number, so that is called irrational number. So means first our natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Second is whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and so on. Third is integers, means natural number with positive and negative sign with 0. That kind of set of numbers our integers numbers. And fourth is rational number, which number can be represented P upon Q form, that is rational number. And which number if we cannot represent in P upon Q form, that kind of number our irrational number. Our irrational number. In this chapter mainly we will discuss rational and irrational numbers. Rational number is P upon Q form and irrational number is if we cannot represent any number in P upon Q form, that is irrational number. For example, root 2, root 5, root 3, root 7, root 11, pi. One more thing, can you tell me root 6 is rational or irrational? Root 6 is a rational or irrational? Root 6, you can write 6 is 2 into 3, and it is also can be written as root 2 into root 3, and root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is our irrational number and root 3 is also our irrational number. Root 3 is our also irrational number. What do you mean? Root 6. What do you mean? Root 6 is the product of two rational number. Two irrational number. Root 6 product of two irrational numbers. Product of two irrational numbers. and we know that product of two irrational number is always irrational. Product of two irrational number is irrational. Is irrational. So root 6 is a irrational number. Root 6 is a irrational number. Irrational number. So this is our main discussion about number systems. We did discuss natural number, whole numbers, integers numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now we will start our exercise. First means 1.1. And our question number first is from exercise 1.1. Is 0 is a rational number? Can you write it in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal 0? First of all tell me, is 0 is a rational number or not? 0 is a rational or not? I have told you 0 is a rational number. 0, first of all, is 0 is a rational number? Yes. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Rational number. Because 0 can be written as P upon Q form. Because 0 can be written as P upon Q form like this, like that. Means 0 is equal to, can be written as 0 upon 1. 0 is equal to 0 upon 1 and 0 is P and our Q is 1. So 0 is always a rational number because it can be written as P upon Q form. Like that, 0 upon 1. So this is our question first. It's a very simple question. Now let's take our second question. Our second question is, this kind of question you have studied in class 7th. This kind of question you have studied in class 9th. But let's see one more time. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए हमारा क्या प्रोसेस रहता था? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके पास जो भी रैशनल नंबर है ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास जो भी रैशनल नंबर है हियर 3 and 4 है ना, तो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप ये रहेगा कि हम क्या करें, इनका जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसको सेम करें, है ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ट्राई टू सेम विथ डिनोमिनेटर. मीन 3 can be written as 3 upon 1 and 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. You can see here 1 is denominator 3 by 1, 1 is denominator of 3 and 1 is also denominator of 4. So here denominator is same. Our first step है ना, हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप भी यही है कि आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर है ना, हमें जो वैल्यू गिवन है उसके डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप. बट हियर एट दिस टाइम वी हैव 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 1 एंड बोथ डिनोमिनेटर आर सेम. तो यहां पर आपको अपना फर्स्ट स्टेप परफॉर्म करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज हियर वी हैव both denominator are same, 3/1 and 4/1. अगर ये सेम नहीं होते, है ना, अगर ये सेम नहीं होते फिर हम इनको सबसे पहले सेम करते, आफ्टर दैट फिर हमारा जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है उसे परफॉर्म करेंगे. तो बट हियर 3/1 and 4/1 both have same denominator. So our step second is, our first step में आपको क्या काम करना है, फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपको क्या वर्क करना है कि आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसे आपको सेम करना है. बट हियर 3/1 and 4/1 both have same denominator. So our second step is, देखो एक चीज और ध्यान रखना, हाउ मैनी रैशनल नंबर यू हैव टू फाइंड, 6 रैशनल नंबर. आपको जितने भी रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं, है ना, आपको जितने भी रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं आपको उससे +1 वाला नंबर लेना है. मींस आपको कितने रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं, 6, तो आपको जस्ट इसके आगे वाला नंबर लेना है, मींस 7, है ना. आपको 6 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं, आपको 6 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं, तो वी विल यूज 7, मींस 6 + 1, वी विल यूज 7. लेट्स सपोज आपको 5 नंबर फाइंड करने होते, लेट्स सपोज आपको 5 नंबर फाइंड करने होते, देन यू विल यूज 6, देन यू विल यूज 6, है ना. लेट्स सपोज आपको 4 नंबर फाइंड करने होते, आपको 4 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने होते, देन यू विल यूज 5. मींस आपको जितने भी रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं आपको उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर लेना है, और उस नेक्स्ट नंबर से क्या करना है, आपको डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द नंबर्स. यू विल बी डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द नंबर्स. क्लियर? Now 7 into 3 21, and 7 into 7 7 into 1 7, 7 into 4 is 28, and 7 into 1 is 7. क्लियर? मीन्स आपको यहां पे सिर्फ 2 स्टेप परफॉर्म करने हैं, है ना. इन स्टेप फर्स्ट एंड स्टेप सेकंड, 2 स्टेप परफॉर्म करने हैं. स्टेप फर्स्ट में क्या करना है, आपको जो भी आपको नंबर गिवन है उनके डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना है ना. मींस इन शॉर्ट, सेम द डिनोमिनेटर. वी विल मेक सेम द डिनोमिनेटर. सेम द डिनोमिनेटर, है ना, अवर फर्स्ट स्टेप. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर सेम था, है ना. अगर सेम नहीं है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक सेम द डिनोमिनेटर. आफ्टर दैट आपको जितने भी रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर लो, है ना. नेक्स्ट नंबर से डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द नंबर. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड, multiply and divide of both numbers of both numbers multiply and divide of both numbers by given by one more number we will take one more number multiply and divide of both numbers by one more number which you find. One more number which you find. Okay, multiply and divide of both numbers by one more number which you find. Which you find. मीन्स आपको जितने नंबर फाइंड करने हैं उससे एक नंबर ज्यादा लेना है आपको. ओके, सो नाउ आवर आंसर इज, first of all we will write 21 by 7 and in last 28 by 7. Now write all the numbers between 21 and 28 because 7 have both, because 7 in common number. 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Here you can use commas. Otherwise you can use here less than sign. 21 is less than by 22 by 7 and 22 by 7 is less than 23 by 7 and 23 by 7 is less than 24 by 7 and 24 by 7 is less than 25 by 7 and again 25 by 7 is less than 26 by 7 and 26 by 7 is less than 27 by 7 and 28 by 7. है ना? एंड देखो अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हमें तो 3 और 4 के बिटवीन रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने से, है ना, 3 और 4 के बिटवीन रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने से देखो 23 by 7 सॉरी 21 by 7, 21 by 7 is 3, 21 by 7 is your 3. If you divide 21 by 7 you will get 3 and if you divide 28 by 7 then you will use 4. If you divide 28 by 7 you will get 4. मीन्स हमने ये जो 21 by 7 और 28 by 7 जो राइट किया है एक्चुअल में 21 by 7 आपका 3 ही है और 28 by 7 आपका 4 ही है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमें जो क्वेश्चन गिवन था हमने उनके बिटवीन रैशनल नंबर फाइंड नहीं किए, है ना, हमने उनके बिटवीन ही रैशनल नंबर फाइंड किए, है ना. 3 and 4 के बिटवीन ही हमने रैशनल नंबर फाइंड किए हैं. 4 मीन्स 28 by 7 एंड 3 मीन्स 21 by 7. तो ये आपका 2 स्टेप है ना. इन 2 स्टेप को परफॉर्म करने के बाद यू कैन सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ एनी क्वेश्चन, है ना. फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपको बोथ नंबर्स का डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना है एंड सेकंड स्टेप में आपको जितने भी नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं उससे एक नंबर एक्स्ट्रा लेकर मींस एक नंबर मोर लेकर मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है बोथ दी नंबर्स. नाउ लेट्स टेक आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. है ना, देखो सेम इसी पैटर्न पर है ना. आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज फाइंड 5 रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 3 and 5 and 4 by 5. अभी मैंने आपको बताया, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था, है ना, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन किस टाइप से करेंगे. अभी मैंने आपको 2 स्टेप राइट किए थे, अभी हमने 2 स्टेप देखे थे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 3/5 एंड 4/5. Here we can see clearly 3/5 and 4/5 both have same denominator. Both have same denominator. तो आपको आपका जो स्टेप फर्स्ट है ना, जो आपका स्टेप फर्स्ट था ये तो परफॉर्म करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. यहां भी आपके पास 1 और 1 सेम था डिनोमिनेटर एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव अगेन डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम. डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम मीन्स 5 upon 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Both have same denominator. Now tell me what our second step? What is our second step? Tell me what is our second step? Now we will divide and multiply both the numbers. We will divide and multiply. We will multiply and divide both the numbers by one more number which you find. We find 5 rational numbers. Here we want to find 5 rational numbers. So we will take 6, one more number. 6 multiply by 6 and divide by 6, and multiply by 6 and divide by 6. So simplify this. 6 3 is 18 upon 6 5 is 30 and 6 4 is 24 and 6 5 is 30. So our required answer is 18 by 32, 24 by 30, and 18 by 30 means 3 by 5. 18 by 30 means 3 by 5, and 24 by 30 means 4 by 5. Now write the terms between 18 and 24, because 30 is common term. 30 is common term. After 18, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, and 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So this is our 5 rational numbers. This is our 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. This is our 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So let's take our next question, and question number 4. State whether the following statements are true. कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स आपको गिवन है और आपको चेक करना है ये स्टेटमेंट्स ट्रू है या फिर फॉल्स है. नाउ लेट्स टेक एवरी नेचुरल नंबर is a whole number. Is it true or false? Every natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are our natural numbers. Every natural number is a whole number. This is a whole number also? No. Because our whole number contains 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every natural number is a whole number. Yes. Sorry. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes. Every natural number is a whole number. Here is 1. Here is also 1. Here is 2. Here is also 2. Here is 3. Here is also 3. Here is 4. Here is also 4. Means every natural number is a whole number. Yes. This is true. This is true. Every natural number is a whole number. This is true. हाँ, अगर हम कहते हैं every whole number is a natural number, so this time false. But here every natural number is a whole number. It's true. Now our second question is every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. What is our integer number? What is our integer number? Minus infinity to, just like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and 2 plus infinity. So that all kind numbers are our integers number. Now every integer is a whole number, है ना. देखो जो आपकी ये जो विथ जीरो ये जो सेट है ना, इंटीजर्स में ये जो नंबर का सेट है दैट इज होल नंबर. बट होल नंबर डज नॉट कंटेन एनी नेगेटिव वैल्यू. होल नंबर डज नॉट कंटेन एनी नेगेटिव वैल्यू. सो एवरी इंटीजर इज नॉट ए होल नंबर. So it's false. So it's false. So it's a false statement. Every integer is a whole number? No, because whole number does not contain any negative value. Now statement third is every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number, and our rational numbers are our natural numbers are in the P upon Q form, just like 3 by 7, minus 4 by 11, 0, 2 by 1. So every rational number means this kind of number is a whole number? No. No. Because rational number is always contain negative integer also. Negative integer also. But whole number does not contain any negative integer. And whole number is a ratio of P upon Q form. Whole number also perform P upon Q form. Whole number also perform P upon Q form, because 0 means 0 upon 1, 1 means 1 upon 1, 2 means 2 upon 1, and 3 means 3 upon 1. Means whole number में आपके पास जो डिनोमिनेटर का is always 1, है ना. It's a P upon Q form, but आपके पास जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें हमेशा 1 ही आता है. But in rational number we can take ratio of any integers. So every rational number is a whole number. False. It's a false statement. So ये हमारा एक्सरसाइज 1.1 था, है ना. ये हमारा एक्सरसाइज 1.1 था जिसमें हमने नंबर्स के अकॉर्ड रिगार्डिंग मीन्स नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, रैशनल नंबर, इरैशनल नंबर, इनके ऊपर बेस्ड जो हमारे प्रीवियस क्लासेस में क्वेश्चन थे, है ना. मेनली तो हमने उसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं, और नंबर सिस्टम के जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट थे उस पर हमने कुछ स्टेटमेंट भी देखी जिससे ट्रू फॉल्स थे. सो इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल कवर exercise 1.2. So thanks for today.